1, 2, 3. The grand opening and ribbon cutting of our brand new building. Clap it up, everybody. This new building isn't just an address, it's a promise. A promise to our families that they will have a safe, welcoming place to turn into the moments of need. A promise to our children and youth that they will be seen, supported, and given a chance to thrive. I want to take a moment as well, as I started, to thank our community, partners, and our elected officials, funders, and most importantly, the incredible Concilio staff. Your dedication and hard work are what makes this mission possible every single day. Thank you, Concilio staff. Could you hear?
But we wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for such a special occasion that we're here today. I am the proud CEO of Concilio. I just celebrated my 9th year with this organization. And thank you. And when I first started, it was an idea of how do we get bigger? How do we grow? How do we expand? How do we touch more people's lives? And we've been able to do that incrementally through different programs and services during my time here. This building is a reflection of the people that we want to serve, the staff that we want to serve. We want to make sure people feel good about coming to our house. And when you'll see in a little bit in these tours, you're going to feel very comfortable, very at home. And this is the kind of feeling that people get excited to come to work about, and that families in the community feel excited and wanted to receive the services that we're going to offer out of this house. I want to provide a very, very special thank you to our Director of Operations, Oral Bessman. She's going to say a few words in a minute, but she has been instrumental in spearheading this initiative and giving her time, her sweat, her tears, a little blood, I think, in making sure that this happens. While I'm the big picture guy and I say yes, and here's an idea, she's the one who really made it happen.
This building is more than just a space. It represents the heart of our mission, a place where hope is nurtured, families find support, and children are given the opportunities that they deserve. I want to thank everyone here, our partners, supporters, staff, and community members for believing in Concilio's mission and standing alongside us. Together, we are creating lasting change and opening doors to brighter futures. Thank you so much for being part of this important day and for all that you do to help our community thrive.
It is an honor. I was telling your team that I have been so excited. My whole 8-year journey has been living for this day. On behalf of our commissioner, Kimberly Ali, who leads the work of the Philadelphia Department of Human Services, it is an honor to share this celebration, this important milestone with Concilio for your grand opening of this new home. I'm going to take space out because this is your new home. Put your hands together. It's a home. Through programs like Community Umbrella Agency 3, clap it up, CUA 3, Concilio provides essential daily case management and supportive services for children in DHS custody, helping to keep them safe, connected, and on a path to a better, brighter future. This new building, your new home, strengthens that partnership by providing a welcoming, dignified space where families and children and staff can receive the support they need in a respectful environment. Today is a new day. If someone comes complaining about yesterday, I want your response to be, today is a new day. Walk in your newness, celebrate your newness, take care of each other, and again, congratulations. We are so proud of you.
Now, what was just said was I got a big speech prepared about all the wonderfulness and greatness, and really what I just want to say that it takes true collaboration, as you've heard before, to make this moment happen. From the DHS executive leadership team, the executive cabinet, all coming together to make this moment for us to approve meeting after meeting after meeting. This is a proud, proud moment for CUA 3. You all don't understand where we came from. So let me tell you, you think the little sirens in the train tracks that you hear right now is something? We were right off of Frankfurt Avenue. We are supposed to treat our families with dignity and worth. And this building does that. So for me, I want to thank everybody for making it happen, but I also want to thank my CUA staff team. I see y'all in there. This building is for the community in which we are going to work and make sure that we bring the happiness and joy that our, like I said, that our families and our community deserves, okay?
What they do is pivotal to the programs. However, we are here to talk about this building, right? And what it symbolizes for us. So many of our families are going through very difficult situations. And oftentimes we have to have challenging conversations with them. We have to help them navigate challenging circumstances. It can get messy and it gets very uncomfortable and it gets very taxing for our staff, just the same way as our families who are living through those very real circumstances. And so what is this for us? It's just a symbol. It's a symbol of what we hope to come. It's a symbol of the standard we hope to represent and to always ensure is real, now specifically to the Frankfurt section. This building is a huge representation of that. It's a representation of Concilio's next era. KUA is part of our next era. Foster care, adoption, training and onboarding have been here for a while. We are the OGs.
And he made a promise. I was not at the meeting. He made that promise. He returned to the office and like, oh, we're gonna have to build a new facility. So this space is very near and dear to my heart because I put a lot of work in it, not just for our family. Yes, I am one of those families. This building represents hope for me. This building represents strength for me. This building represents community for me. When I got introduced to Concilio about 16 plus years ago, the person that introduced me to Concilio was a Cuban young lady I worked with in Macy's. I have a long history of Concilio.
I can't tell you how excited I am to be here today. Concilio holds a really special place in my heart. And I want to begin by recognizing Adonis and his leadership and his commitment to the board. Thank you. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for saying yes. Has been a steadfast pillar in the Latino community, in the Hispanic community of Philadelphia, advocating, preserving cultural traditions and delivering essential services. This new building is a testament to that legacy and an investment that will provide services for decades. For me, it's personal. I started my relationship with the Latino community as a professional here at Concilio in 2003. Concilio has always been a voice for the Latino community. It's been a space where community residents have been able to come for resources, have been able to come when they thought there was nowhere to go. Congratulations again to all of you, every single one of you who put a small seed into making this space a reality. Felicidades and thank you for having me with you today.
1, 2, 3.